What's up? Have a jobless day. Welcome back, everybody. It's David again. So now I'm at a local public beach here between La Romana and Punta Cana. My host at my accommodations, you can check out that video. Pretty much the all-natural eco river house. So he recommended this beach here, Playa Dominicus. This is more of a public beach. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, give you a nice 360 view. Pretty much if you're on the way to the capital city, Santo Domingo, to Punta Cana, I highly recommend just stopping here for a night or two, resting at the Eco River House, and then checking out Playa Dominicus as you're here. So I'm gonna give you a nice 360 view here. Hang on, let me turn the camera around. Okay, this is how it looks. Again, this is a public beach. As you can see here, that's the water. That's the Caribbean Sea. Beautiful turquoise green water there. I showed you the private beach earlier with the Eco River House. So now this is more of a public. It's a Sunday today, beautiful day weather. It's about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is not too high. Got some sea breeze going. A lot of shade. You can park here. If you have a rental car, just come park at this public beach. And there's food here. Got a restaurant, a couple restaurants there. Straight ahead. Get some fresh seafood and a little historic marker here. There you go. You can read that. It's in all Spanish. I'm definitely. Oh wow, they recycle here as well. So you get all the El Presidente. This is a popular Dominican beer here. Alright, so landmark, all in Spanish, as you can see. And then here, got some gift shops, looks like. You can buy some gifts. Definitely want to show you the beach. This water is amazing here in the southeast coast of the Dominican Republic. This country has been voted one of the top Caribbean destinations in the world to visit all times of year. You see that water there? There's some of my compadres on the left. My host has been pretty amazing. It's been a volunteer type of experience, and you can gain a lot of knowledge from your local host. Look at that water there. See people out there jet skiing, sailing, kayaking. Nice 360 view there. You get some souvenirs. See that? Awesome day. Some souvenirs, some hats. I have a similar hat. I bought this when I was in Boca Chica, Dominican Republic. You can check that episode. I love their reggaeton here and bachata and merengue. That's some very good Dominican coffee right there. That's how it looks. And we got some cigars. They make some good tobacco down here as well. And this is the Dominican rum, Rugal. That's the name of it there. Very good rum. I tried it myself. Check that out. Okay. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm just here to hang out for the day at the beach with some of my local hosts and fellow volunteers. We're gonna hang out at the beach here. That's how it looks. Playa Dominicus. Can you come and visit? On the way to Punta Cana. I was told Punta Cana is more of a tourist destination. I'm not really interested in that. I try to give a local perspective as I travel. Some of my compadres here. 3 from Colombia and 1 from Haiti. Hola! Bien, mi video YouTube channel. Sí, Colombia, yeah.
Amigo.
Welcome to Dominican Republic. Playa Dominicus. Got some Latin dancing here. It's my host, who's awesome. Eco River House. Having a good time. Local experience, right? As you travel, learn something new. Some new friends, new experiences, lifelong memories. Muy bien. Yeah, we just ordered some fried fish with plátanos. And then we have another Colombian over there. Went to the water. Yeah, he's having a good time there. I'm gonna take a dip myself. Pretty shallow most of the way. But yeah, look at that turquoise green ocean water there. Beautiful, right? That's how it looks. Again, this is the public beach. I showed you the private beach in the previous video. It's more public. Come out here and hang out. Mingle with the locals. No problemo. Enjoy the beach, seafood, souvenirs. Nice 360 view there. I'm sure that water feels amazing. I'm gonna test it out after I eat. Oh yeah, this is what traveling is all about. My buddy here from Haiti, he's working here. Todo bien? Yeah? Ça passe? Muy bien. Yeah, so Dominican Republic has a lot of Haitians as well. They share the same island. So you have the Haitians, the French, Spanish influence here as well. All right, go ahead and relax, enjoy this evening. Till next time, God bless. Oi, 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 muy bien. ¿Cómo se llama?
Merengue.
Merengue, okay, merengue. That's how merengue dancing looks, y'all. Welcome to my channel. Hope y'all enjoying my videos. Very naturalist, local perspective as you travel. Get your hands dirty. Enjoy some local food, learn something new. That's what this is all about. Oh, you can get your hair braided here as well. I don't have much hair, but this is where you can come get your hair braided. See that? Yes, love it. It's a classic. I remember this from like growing up. All right, we'll take a dip. See y'all on my next episode. God bless. All right, let's go take a dip. The water is calling me. This is where I find peace here. Oh, it feels great. Muy bueno. Sand feels great, nice and soft on the toes. Water's refreshing. See that there? Nice 360 view. Playa Dominicus. Close to La Romana. Yeah, feels amazing. Let's get a little bit closer. Take y'all for a dip. Ready? Uno, dos, tres.
We need to be sure somebody is in
Yeah,
the place
he's there.
because we need to.
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah.
He's there.
Because no, we can lose something.
Yeah, he's there.
This is a public beach and
Right. Pay attention.
yeah,
Yeah.
we need to be focused.
Ah, the water feels great. All right, let's take a dip. Oh yeah. Muy salte. Muy salte. Muy salte. Great for scuba diving.
No, this visibility is not good for scuba.
No?
No, it's dry.
Okay.
Too many particles in the water.
Oh yeah? Okay. You can do scuba diving here as well. Sailing there. Oh, this water feels great. Chilling with my Caribbean connection. Colombianos. Haiti.
Hi, my baby.
Jamaica. Yeah. Muy bueno. Alright guys. Salt water is very good for your skin. Let's hang out in it for a little bit. ¿Cómo se llama la música?
Vicente Fernández.
Fernández, ¿eh?
Vicente Fernández.
¿Es colombiano?
Mexicano.
Mexicano. Bueno.
Guatemala, güey.
Sí. Salud, 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 salud. Salud, salud. Sí, sí, salud. Salud. Voy. Okay. Muy bien. Sí, muy bien. Okay, our food's almost ready. We're gonna eat. Have some cervezas and relax on the beach. Check out my other videos on the Dominican Republic. This is by far one of my favorite beaches. Vámonos? Okay. Alright, here we go.